So if you want to try using the Finelo AI Market Simulator, as you may know, this AI Market Simulator, it's basically like a practice trading tool inside the Finelo app. So it's not like a real trading platform. So, okay, it uses like virtual monies, which means like fake monies, to where you can use it to like trade, like buy and sell stocks and learn from it. Like it's actually uses stimulated or real like market data, and it gives you a virtual balance, and it lets you like practice trades like a real trader. It will also show you like the profit and loss based on your decisions, so which is also known as like paper trading. So it helps you to practice trading before you actually deal with actual money. So what you're going to do is you're going to always like, you can go to the, to access it, you can go to the Finalo. So download the app and then get your subscription on Finalo. So once you get the subscription here, so what we can do, you can like start using the simulator app. So once you get to the simulator app, if you go to the profile section here you will see the simulator app here. So you can now like choose what you want to like what type of stock you want to buy or sell. So you can just choose that, and once you could choose the assets or whatever you want to play, like deal with it, just choose this. So for example, like Apple or Tesla or something, do that, and then look at the price chart, like whether if it's trending, like trending up, which means higher highs. And also you can check the AI insights and everything. So based on that you can analyze it, and once you've analyzed it, you can like buy the assets. If you click on buy assets, you can try to buy it. Okay, you can just enter the trade size, how much you want to, and how do you want to like your stop loss margin, and then the profit margin and everything. For example, if you're buying like for $100, you want to stop at $95 and you want to take profit around like $110. So just confirm, plug in these details and confirm the trade. And once you do that, you can go to the profile, your portfolio again, or to your open trade section here on the within the app itself. You can watch and monitor the trade. You can watch the price movements, the profit and loss changing with real time, because it happens in real time. And you can close the trade anytime manually, or you can also wait for the stop loss trigger. Okay, and once you feel you want to close it, you can simply close it and see. And once you've closed it, you can see like the trade summary and see what the AI said and what has happened. And you can ask yourself and analyze how this is going to work. So this is what basically the simulator does. It helps you to practice and learn with the virtual money before you actually go into the real time trading. So that's basically how you normally use this app here, or this simulator.